This is a question from IPMAT Indore 2024 paper QA section, and the question is on interest, simple and compound interest. It is Sagarika divides her savings of 10,000 rupees to invest across two schemes A and B. So the next line tells us more about the two schemes. Scheme A offers an interest rate of percent per annum, compounded half yearly. So it is the compounded scheme. So for 1 half year, the interest rate will be 5%. So 5% in first half and 5% in the next half. It will be compounded. Okay. While scheme B offers a simple interest rate of 12% per annum. Right? So there are two schemes, A and B. Scheme A offers 10% per annum but compounded half yearly, and this is a simple interest, 12% simple interest per annum. So if at the end of first year the value of our investment in scheme B exceeds the value of our investment in scheme A by 2310 rupees, then the total interest in rupees earned by Sagarika during the first year of investment is. Okay. So the amount, that is 10,000 rupees, it was invested in the two schemes for 1 year only. So some part was given this scheme, some part was given to this scheme. So let us assume hundreds rupees were given to scheme A. So 10,000 minus 100x were given to scheme B. Now this is 10% per annum but compounded half yearly. So I can say there will be 5% interest in first half and then again 5% interest in second half. So this becomes 105x in first half, after first half, and this 105 will become 110.25x after the second half. The 5% of 105, so I can say 5% of 100 is 5. So we'll add 5 to 105 and then 5% of 5 is 0.25. So we'll add 0.25 also to that. So this becomes 110.25. So this is the final amount after 1 year. This is the final amount in scheme A after 1 year. Then let us come to scheme B. On this scheme, we are getting a simple interest of 12%. So what is the simple interest in this case? 12% of 10,000 is 1200 and 12% of 100 is 12x. So this is the interest. So what is the amount in this scheme? Amount will be addition 10,000 plus 1200 is 11,200 is 112x. This is the total amount in the second scheme. Fine. Now the question says that at the end of first year, the value of her investment in scheme B exceeds the value of investment in scheme A by 2310 rupees. So what is the total value of investment in scheme? This one, the invested money plus the interest money. Total value of investment is that much. So this is the total value in scheme B and this is the total value in scheme A. The difference of these two, that should be 2310. So we'll just do that. 11,200 minus 112x minus 110.25x. That should be 2310. The difference of the value of money in two schemes. Right? Now this 2310 can come on this side and the values of x, they can go on the other side. So 11200 minus 2310, that should be equal to 112x plus 110.25x. So the difference 8890. On this side it will be 222.25. 222.25x. So 222 times 4 is 888, 0.25 times 4 is 1. So we can simply say that this can be cancelled 4 times, in fact 40 times. So x is 40, right? So x is 40. If x is 40, then I think we have our answer. The question is, then the total interest in rupees earned by Sagarika in the first year. So we need to just find the interest now. We already have X. So what was the interest? So interest in first year on scheme A, 100X was invested and one total value was 110.25X. So interest in scheme A was 10.25X and interest in scheme B was this much, 1200 minus 12x. So if I add 100 minus 12x to this, so total value of interest will be 1200 minus 1.75x. Now we already know the value of x. So total interest will be 1200 minus 1.75x is 74 into 40. So that becomes 70. So 1200 minus 70, that is 1130. So the total interest we earned in 1 year from both the schemes together is one, that is option C.